Queen Elizabeth II says in first Easter message that coronavirus will not overcome us. This is a very heartwarming message. There she is. There's the Queen in all her glory. She's 93 years of age. That's awesome. That's awesome. Scroll down here. So it says here, Queen Elizabeth II is spreading more hope and optimism amid the coronavirus pandemic in a special Easter message released on Saturday, a day before the holiday. Audio of the 93-year-old monarch speaking to the public was released on the royal family's social media channels. This marks the first time she has released an Easter message and comes as she and millions of people around the world practice social distancing at home. Could you imagine though if she caught the coronavirus? That would be tragic. Really, really tragic. Darn. I sure hope she doesn't though. She's saying here many religions have festivals which celebrate light overcoming darkness, she said. This is a common theme in religion, light overcoming darkness, good overcoming evil. Such occasions are often accompanied by the lighting of candles. They seem to speak to every culture and appeal to people of all faiths and of none. Right, so it's a universal theme. They are lit on birthday cakes and to mark family anniversaries. When we gather happily around a source of light, it unites us. As darkness falls on the Saturday before Easter Day, many Christians would normally light candles together, she continued. In church, one light would pass to another, spreading slowly and then more rapidly as more candles are lit. That sounds like Roman Catholicism. It's the first thing that came to mind. It's a way of showing how the good news of Christ's resurrection has been passed on from the first Easter by every generation until now. That's true. That's true. She said this year Easter will be different for many of us. But by keeping apart, we keep others safe. But Easter isn't cancelled. Indeed, we need Easter as much as ever. I'm not a big fan of Easter. Uh, I think it has pagan origins, but I'm not gonna be, I'm not gonna be getting into that. More and more people are waking up anyway. I just wanted to hear what the Queen had to say. I came across the article on E News and I said, let me check this out and share what I am actually seeing here. The discovery of the risen Christ on the first Easter day gave his followers new hope and fresh purpose, and we can all take heart from this. We know that coronavirus will not overcome us. Right, this statement needs to be the theme of the year for now. Not only we can't let it overcome us, but first and foremost we have to make sure that we don't let it divide us in the first place. There are theories of population control, social distancing being a tool of population control, etc. They've even come up with a name for it. They've even come up with a name for one apparently the agenda for dividing us, called social distancing. How barefaced they are. I don't know who these people are. I don't know who. Some people would say it's the globalist technocracies who are trying to control world populations and so on. I'm not saying that I believe that shit, but I'm just saying what I hear other people saying. Just like how I can come to this article and just read it, it doesn't necessarily mean that I believe what the article is saying. you know, I'm just reading what I'm saying. As dark as death can be, particularly for those suffering with grief, light and life are great. Alright, so we should be focused on on celebrating life. She added, may the living flame of the Easter hope be a steady guide as we face the future. I wish everyone of all faiths and denominations a blessed Easter. I think it's done there. Oh, last Sunday the Queen gave a rare televised address to rally the people of the United Kingdom. Yeah, that address was trending, by the way, but I didn't get to watch any of it actually. I might have to check out a few snippets of it. I'll try to check out what the main points were, but I know for sure I'm not gonna have the time to watch all of that. It marked the 5th time she has recorded one during her 68 years on the throne. Well, the woman is a ruler for the ages, not including her annual televised Christmas Day speeches. I don't think I've ever heard her speak, come to think of it. Probably I've probably only heard her speak once. I don't even remember what she sounds like. I don't remember what she, I don't remember what she sounds like. Oh, whoa. My computer currently can't give me external sound, so that's why I'm not able to play these videos. I'm getting internal sound, but I'm not getting external sound from the speakers. While we have faced challenges before, this one is different, she said in her video message. This time we join with all nations across the globe in a common endeavor using the great advances of science. You can't ignore science. Recently someone said to me, and this is me talking here, recently someone said to me that they don't care about science. I said to the person, how is it that you are even alive if you don't care about science? Immediately that person was shut the hell up right then and there. I was like to myself, how dare this person say that they don't care about science? How dare? So this time she's joining with the nations, as she says here. When she says we, meaning whoever she's talking to. Using the great advances of science and our instinctive compassion to heal, we will succeed, and that success will belong to every one of us. We should take comfort that while we may have more still to endure, better days will return. When she says we will succeed, immediately that phrase came to me that Loki used when he was dying in Avengers Infinity War, when he said to Thor that the sun will shine on us again. That beginning scene when he was trying to trick Thanos and Thanos snapped his neck. for some reason, that line came to mind when I heard we will succeed here. My mind is a bit funny. Don't pay me any mind though. That's just how my mind works. She's saying here, we will be with our families again. We will meet again. But for now, I send my thanks and warmest good wishes to you all. That's it. I would encourage you to check out the article for yourself. You can go into Google and type in Queen Elizabeth Easter message coronavirus and it will come up. E online, right? Don't forget to type in E online and it will come up in the search results. She always looks pretty serious though. And her eyes are piercing, as you can see here. She has the eye of the tiger. She has the eye of the tiger. Don't forget to subscribe for access to fresh content. Well, you'll get the access to it anyway, even if you don't subscribe. You don't have to subscribe, but it's recommended that you not only subscribe, but that you click the notification bell to be notified of when our videos get released. As soon as they get released, you'll know. You'll get a notification to your phone if your phone is set up with Google that way. Stay tuned as well for periodic updates. I will see you in the next video.